Here is day 1, okay, and the next clip you will see is day 7. So this is day 7 of me spraying this tea on my hair, and you can see my hair has thickened. So it's just 2 ingredients. I'll be showing you guys how I make this particular tea. I hope you enjoy this video. The first ingredient we'll be using is rosemary. Study shows that rosemary helps in promoting hair growth, it thickens your hair, it helps in treating both spots, alopecia, thin edges, and also dandruff. So using rosemary is really amazing for your hair growth. So the next thing we're going to be using is bay leaf. Bay leaf works same as rosemary, okay? So if you have this kind of bay leaf, you can use it. And I'm going to be showing you guys how I'll be making today's tea. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Here I create a lot of amazing hair growth content for my hair that has been helping me to promote my hair. So I uploaded this video on a short, and somebody was asking what are the ingredients I use. So this is on my hair to grow my hair. So I keep getting questions of things I use on my hair. Everything I display on my channel is what I always use to grow out my hair. So if you're an OG, you know our hair has really changed. So I'm going to be using a teaspoon to measure the rosemary, okay? So, and I'm going to add in water. So after adding in water, we're going to boil it, okay? This is normal water, all right? It's not spring water or any other water, it's normal water. So after you pour your water, you allow it to boil for a while, and this is what you will get after you've let it to boil. You just, after leaving it to boil, you are going to close it and allow it to sit for a very long time, like let's say 8 hours to 12 hours. All right guys, so for it to change color, one, and for it to be more potent. So after it's ready and it has cooled down, this is what you're going to get, okay? This color, this is when you know that the rosemary and bay leaf water is ready for use. So love, I'm going to strain. After straining, we are going to move to application, but before that, let me know in the comment section, have you tried the combination of rosemary and bay leaf together? Let me know in the comment section. So after that, I'm going to be adding in my MSM powder. I love using this a lot. It helps to enhance any hair growth treatment you want to use on your hair. This MSM powder is gonna give it an extra boost, okay? MSM powder gives your hair extra boost. All right guys, so after that, I'm going to be transferring it into a spray bottle to spray it on my hair. So it's time for application. I'm applying this all over my hair. So this is the tea. Make sure your tea is this right, okay? So I'll be spraying this on my hair for 7 days, and as you guys saw from the first video, the after result, 7 days after I sprayed this on my hairlines was not showing because my hair became more thicker. Yeah bestie, so this is really powerful. It's going to help you to promote your hair growth, okay? So I apply this not every day, every other day, okay? So like let's say for example, today I spray on my hair, leave the next day, then the upper day I spray. That is what I did, and I love the result I got. I hope you enjoyed this particular video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. If you watch this extent, let me know in the comment section, will you be trying this tea combination of these two together? Are you going to be trying it? Let me know in the comments, okay besties? And I'm just going to spray this all over my hair, and I'll move to the next step. So the next step is to use leave-in condition. Okay, so anytime you apply teas on your hair, make sure you fall in with leave-in condition. Okay, it's going to help to seal in the tea that you apply on your hair. Yeah, tea helps to grow hair, but it's also water, and when water dries on your hair can be dry. So leave-in condition is going to help to trap in the moisture back to your hair. After that, I'm going in with oil. This is my go-to oil. Okay, in here it's rosemary and lavender. All right, so this is my go-to oil. I love the oil. Okay, the mixture of these two herbs together. And each time I'm applying it, I first of all apply it on my front edges. Okay, so because you guys know I've been battling with that area, but I love the fact that I'm seeing results. All right, so I first of all apply on that front edges before I move into applying it in the rest parts of my hair, my scalp, and everywhere I know it's necessary to add oil. After the oil, I'll be going to be adding in my hair grease. Okay, so this is Durgro, and I'm going to add this on my scalp. It's just going to help to promote hair growth as well, and help my hair to stay moisturized longer. The last but not the least is to add in shea butter. This is a herbal shea butter. Okay, so I am going to be adding this on my hair and at the ends of my hair. One thing I've noticed that since I've started adding shea butter at the ends of my hair, the ends of my hair looks much healthier than before. Yeah, the ends of my hair looks much healthier than before, ever since I started implementing shea butter in my routine and putting it mostly at the ends of my hair. The ends of my hair has looked much healthier than before. Let me know in the comment section, do you add shea butter on your routine? Do you put it on your hair? Did you see any difference? Let me know in the comment section. Then our last step is massage. Okay, always make sure you massage your scalp. Always make sure you massage your scalp because it helps with blood circulation. All right, after applying everything on your hair, make sure you massage your scalp for like 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes, 1 minute to 5 minutes. Massage your scalp and you will see improve in your hair growth. So if you watch to this extent, thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. So this is me packing my hair because I want to create another content. So I mostly, when I moisturize my hair, I pack it like this and go out and do my normal thing. Yes, so this is how I look when I do my hair, like moisturize my braids, and this is how my braid looks like. So if you're watching this extent, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Let me know if you're going to be trying this tea. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.